In front of me is Xiaomi 14T, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Then click on All Services. Scroll down to select Autofill with Google. And click on Google Password Manager to select the password that you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock. Hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finish, tap on Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!